How we doing? Jazzle here. Today let's learn how to brew coffee with a Chemex. I didn't know what a Chemex was until I went to this one coffee shop. They made coffee on a counter and they pulled out this most fascinating looking object that looked like an hourglass. I was so fascinated and I decided to get one myself. A little bit of history. It was invented in 1941 by a chemist named Dr. Peter Schlumpum. He created over 300 patents ranging from cocktail shakers to automobile products. The Chemex is among one of his most popular inventions. Maybe I'll make a video about the history of the Chemex, but as of right now, I just want to make my coffee. The things we will need: filter paper, water, coffee grinder, scale if you have one. 2 scoops of coffee should be roughly 10 grams. Just read that from the back of the coffee packaging. And Chemex. Alright, let's get started. Heat your water. The first step is simple. Just heat up your water. I am really fortunate to have this kettle that I got from Target. Not sponsored. Grind your coffee beans. Okay, for this step, the first thing we will need to do is to weigh our coffee. Now, I did a little research and it seems like a lot of people have their own preferences when it comes to coffee ratio. I decided to start with 1:15 ratio. That means that it'll be 1 gram of coffee for every 15 grams of water. Let me know in the comments below what ratio is better. I'm still learning about this kind of stuff too. Alright, now I've read so much stuff online about what kind of grinds should you use when brewing on a Chemex, and surprising enough, everyone says different things. So I decided I'm just going to have a medium coarse grind. Chemex filter. When I bought my Chemex for the very first time, I didn't know that it required its own special filter. So make sure that you also get that little special filter along with your Chemex. Alright, when you are unfolding your paper filter, make sure you unfold it where the 3 layers is on one side and 1 layer is on the other side. And when you are putting your filter on the Chemex, make sure that the 3-layered side is lined up where the pouring spout is. It says on my research that this prevents the filter from completely collapsing and covering the spout. Once you place your filter on the Chemex, pour some hot water on your filter. This helps with 2 things. It'll put your filter in a place and get rid of that nasty paper taste. Blooming process. Put a little bit of water on your coffee and let it bloom for about 30 to 45 seconds. Some people actually do a little longer than that. So why is this important? The coffee bloom releases the gas from the coffee ground when it gets in contact with hot water. This gas that we're talking about is carbon dioxide. Letting it bloom for at least 30-40 seconds can improve the taste of your coffee. Continue to pour water. Continue to pour water until we put the desired amount of water. Start pouring in the middle in a circular motion. Make sure to avoid pouring on the side because the water will just run through the grounds. Most of the time, it should take roughly about 3 to 4 minutes to brew your coffee. When you're done, make sure to clean up. Discard the coffee ground and your coffee should be ready to serve. Grab your favorite mug. Right now I have a Dragon Ball Z mug, and pour your coffee. Still not sponsored. I really love using the Chemex in the morning because of the feeling I get. The feeling of accomplishment after brewing my coffee. It's like an important chore that I have to do first thing in the morning. Now, I do understand that it does take a longer time to make your coffee this way, and this is not for everyone. It's definitely not designed for the kind of people who are always rushing in the morning. And I gotta be honest, I do wake up extra early to make my coffee, and I don't mind it because after making my coffee, I'm basically awake and I can move on to another task. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this little video I made for you guys. Please leave a like, comment, and share this video if you have time. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful day.